Agba.
Nah. Me una mute na me so do this.
Agba la valeu. Akile kwa babudu. Akile kwa babudu. He go hook from my neck.
Lady, calm down, beg. Muna, calm down. Muna, calm down. Now, me suffer. We all are adults. If we do it like this, we not go see the reason why we dey here. Una look me like better person. Now I carry the issue, can't give me because of the kind of issues when I don't feel talk about before. Now, when it be say, man, we get this kind of thing for a year.
No cotton, not there.
Hello.
Wait. Try this one.
Yeah.
Charge on.
Yeah.
Yeah, me other food. No, no, Awale, money go where someone to the
president on the phone of me, Azek, Billy, do not see of your head. Awala, family of family, Boston Muske, big Boston Muskanabi, not big Boston Muskanabi, go punish your father, punish your mama, Moto Babek, Bine, Schwabe Binevelu, Moto Bear, don't pepper to Wavania, because I don't call me, not the rich Schwabelu, not Schwabelu.
In a job, now I'm looking for a garage.
I beg you, I tell they mute people where be say they don't fit talk until you mute them. Now you go what they TikToking now. I beg Mona calm down, we will do this thing. I beg. If we do it like this, Jennifer, we don't come on here. Mute Jennifer. When I go mute. Mute, I beg. Mute, I beg, Jennifer. When mute, Mona mute, I beg. Mary don't mute. Jennifer, mute. Thank you. God bless you. Now, this issue so is a very sensitive matter. And on this note, I pray for more wisdom. I pray for more wisdom. I pray for more understanding in this very issue. Because this issue so is beyond the normal human eyes. It's not the ordinary matter. That's why they pray for more wisdom. In case maybe I come off a track. Maybe Baba God pull me back to track. Now, first and foremost, Jennifer, unmute yourself. I want to ask you a question. Jennifer, unmute yourself. Hello, Jennifer.
Yes, sir.
Do you hear me?
I hear you.
The woman we born first son, you know her.
Yes, now. We fight getting number before even my father they call her.
No, wait now. Yes, calm down. You get a WhatsApp number or a picture?
I get a Facebook and a picture. Even the Pikin picture there with me.
Okay, you know what's in now, First send me the woman picture first. Make I put her for the background for a year.
Okay.
So if 1,005 people they watch, they'll see the woman. Now break on my side. That one.
Yes.
Then two, before your brother died last year, November 6th, your brother don't ever sit you down as a younger sister when you beat around. Say he get first son for outside.
Me know now. Even the last time when my brother come my house, I can't even they tell and say, brother, give me this woman. Me not even know say na but they give me some. Cause say give me this woman number. He can say fine. Before he know this Mary so, he go they see the Pikin, they buy clothes, buy things, go they give her. You understand? But it's when you don't know this Mary, you know can they go there again. You understand? For one way or other, now the woman can see the verse. Say, you know, women now when don't you say don't deal with another one. You understand? He can't tell me say he don't get the woman number now.
Okay.
My brother there, even all his friends, my cousin when he did tell him, no say my brother get Pikin. Even the Mary know. He know when they lie so.
Don't worry, calm down. I know I'm gonna call the exchange word again. First thing, send me the woman picture now. You get my WhatsApp.
Yes.
Send me the picture now. Send me Pikin who follow her too. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see the truth here tonight. This is a very sensitive issue that we have to be very careful on the way we will do it. Do you understand?
Yes.
So that we can't get issue at the end of the day. Because it is very difficult for you to convince a woman that thought she's the one wey born first son when this man dey alive. I want to quickly advise the men out there. Whatsoever you do, always tell people around you. Even if you say you don't want to tell your wife, say because say your wife go get you. Always tell people, always show them evidence. Always tell them, say, see as it be. Always they show them evidence. Make them know the Pikin house. Because all of us go die one day. Oh. Our prayer and may we live long. Oh. Yeah. Nobody will live here forever. In the next 100 years from now, nobody will die here again. So we'll still come and stress ourselves. Now other new people will still come. So what are we stressing ourselves for? So the little time we will go see spend here, now prayer may we live long. May we eat the fruit of our children. But as a man, please be open to your family members. Please. Because as you mean, the brother now give her this woman WhatsApp number. This thing now for you easy. You see where big men that they write we. You see where big men they write we. So this thing so not be Jennifer still mute her beg. Still mute. Hello, Vigilant. Hello, A. L. Àwọn náà wú ní ẹ̀nà ẹ̀yà lélẹ̀ wò DNA à. Okay, don't do DNA. Yeah, I can't want to do DNA like that. How? Okay, with the rest children. Oh, okay, and so. Okay. So if they come down with the rest children, how do I to know now say they are saying the paternity now? DNA is very important. Okay, with the rest children.
Bros, may I just talk one thing? If I see my husband's son, I go know her. You don't need DNA to do. When I see the rest, I know them. If I see this particular boy, I go still know her. I go know say na my son, na my husband's son be that. Yeah.
How many months you take marry the husband? My husband. How many months? 4 months. Then you kill her. Use her do pepper soup chop.
You go die. You not.
Now you use her do pepper soup chop. Your madness enter your mama head. Madness enter your papa. Your generation to generation, Mary. To bear up. Usuwa. Mary. You want to come and reap for where you not sow. You want to come reap for where you not sow. Which shot you get for Oromi? Which shot you get for Oromi?
Bring a man here. I want to see the first song. If I see the first song, I will be very happy. Bring her.
You not say that person when you see you put your leg. You not see my way carry you. You want that a jet for everywhere. Jet where you must be.
No, because
why you go born for the family? Why you born for the family? Because you are rejected. Why you born for the family? We be bad person when you see you put your leg.
Jennifer, oh boy, Jennifer.
You don't know liver. How many men you don't born for?
Mary, mute, Mary. Mute, I beg. We may matter the ado. Jennifer, send me the woman picture and the children, then do make a DNA with the rest children. You see, huh? Then we'll come know. Now, see what they try to avoid for you now. Number one, na to bring the boy say, okay, now the first son be this. And number two, the DNA will match. You see, huh? Jennifer, send me.
Wait.
Do that for me. Send me the woman this thing.
Okay. May I send that now? I'll be later.
Send that now with me for my WhatsApp.
Okay.
I need to bring the woman come out, make people for see her. 1,000 people they watch us. At least for inside this one sees people must know her now. As far as in a Nigerian person, people must know her. Not be Benin woman. No, they don't know that. We Benin on the carry last too. So we'll start from there. Small. If they don't bring the boy come out, then we'll do DNA. If they do DNA, they call say and say na truth. Then Mary go come understand, say, okay, maybe now your husband the left on her when your husband they are left. Then case go close.
Thank you, Olivia. God bless you. Thank you.
Without those two things, go out to Mary to believe, say, not be belfast. I know the way women be. Me not be women, but I can read through women's mind. Because they say the guy gets a lot of properties. The guy even buy a house. You understand? The guy win something for Lotto. 88, is it not 88,000 euro? Now he win for this sporty bet for Italy. So the guy go buy house for Nigeria. If you see the guy house for Nigeria, it doesn't mean you sit down, you don't sit down. So the guy really do for grant before he come meet what he not supposed to meet. God knows the best. So now, I bet when they gift me, because this woman now go come out. That's why I say me nobody insult anybody. We all are here to look for the truth. Understand? So even all those ones who don't want to go do for East and land, yes, they'll still do them with the way they'll fit swear and all. But you see, media is very powerful. Social media is very powerful. That's why it's not good may you come out for the bad reason. Now Saga never reach his body. Now they thought say Saga is sweet. Until they come Saga you. At that time you know say Saga not the sweet. And if you not be person will get mad, if you develop high blood pressure. Because Saga they make person they fall into depression and stress. So most often they do this thing. Me will never they insult Jennifer or Mary. We never know they tell us the truth now until evidence does shock. You understand? If you put that Benin woman now, that Benin woman now go come out, say, na him born first son. Okay, madam, we will do paternity test with the rest kids. You understand? To really know, say yes, na their elder brother. So on that note, men, please, wanna share this video. Wanna gift me. Wanna gift me. I the child. Now this was one rose. Now I sit they see front to. Why we gift him, Wahala? Why we gift him, The family knows something. Mona never conclude. People are just too fast. As soon as I want to pursue that pastor yesterday, it's not the way I take deceive pastor before I call the saga pastor. They only do things like that. They don't rush into things. Sometimes you go know the truth as a man, you quiet, make the truth by himself, reveal himself. That makes you a man. You understand? So maybe we calm down, maybe we wash the way the thing will be. Small. You get? That's what it be. That's what it be, my people. Because you know if you just can't tell us, say, okay. Okay. Now this one be the first song, so Jenny. Now this one be the first song. I beg, when I know someone's a bit put picture for background though. I don't want to post the baby. I want to post the song first. I want to post the woman. Who if it come up now for me? Oh, Zaza, where you there? Me for put the picture for the background. Zaza, very request. Your attention is highly needed right now. Zaza request, your attention is highly needed right now. If I not see Zaza, I'll choose another person. Okay, Big Siva. All right, Big Siva.
Send them a WhatsApp.
Yeah, send it to let me know your.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Let's see. I'll post the son and the woman. Not again. Then the face of the woman. Why is there a monona yo we monok babai? So let's start from there. I bet Mona share. Why they share my videos? I want to do saga. the people. Correct. May I put there for big screen? So for those of now we don't know the son, this one are the son so on the right hand side, and the mama, and they are two wear white. That one we wear red, so now maybe that they are relative, but now the son be this. Mary Sweet.
I dey hear you, sir.
Does this guy looks like your husband's son?
No.
Okay.
Lucky.
Okay.
May I say you my son?
Should we give me WhatsApp?
Yes, you are coming today.
Then now, Sylvia.
Sir,
Now,
you change ya.
more when you buy your hair, more the woman. But they'll still do DNA. It might not look like his father. Maybe if he go resemble his mama. Understand? But they'll do DNA. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, please. This woman here is a Benin woman. If anybody knows this woman, please let her call me. Tell her that her attention is highly needed by a no-game maton. In case maybe you want to reach me, my number is +49 1521 046 0250. So anybody will know this sister, I beg, wherever you did for Europe for year. Sorry, say we can't carry your push or come out like this, but this is the only way where we go fit let the truth out of the bag to the world. Please, madam, we want to hear your own side of the story. If you say they watch me, you say make I show you face well. You know they see face like this. You also low boy. If face clear finish now, all they see face. Now this one clear past the other one. Oh. See me, which one be no? See me, are you kidding me right now? Which one be no? Are you kidding me right now? Okay. John Paul Inyibo. Please, anybody that knows this woman, the face not show well. Who should be say the face not show well? Jimmy. Okay, Sylvia.
Pepper,
Put the other one with
I dey hear you.
Put the other one with put just now. No, not on me. It's when you put the pixel down, maybe go show where. I wouldn't know where. Say maybe where down. Let me bring her down. Please, anybody that knows this woman should please call. This is a very sensitive issue. Please. Allow. My phone does the ring. Now media, you want to play media? Your rest. Hello. Which one be you need help? Yeah, but bro. And they do better for you. They tell me say you need help. So please, ladies and gentlemen, if anybody know this woman, please tell her that a no-game matter needs her attention. Very important. Very important. There's an she born senior son for late Lucky. We there last year, November. Please, Sylvia,
Epa.
the picture the maker said the girl money your.
Niye we moji. Niye we moji a.
Yes, no more money. No more money. Una she. I'm you to Iba. But you no give matter. I'm you to E. Una they see her face like this. She's wearing a wedding ring.
Yes, they say she talk and just now say the woman don't marry now.
We're getting about not about. Please, if anybody knows this woman, Mary Sweet, I bet you say your Pikin too. Your son, no compare something, I beg.
My brother don't they send that for you. Because I don't feel go if I was up now. He won't send that for you now.
Echo. Hey, this matter so is a very delicate issue. I'm not sure. I beg. Get away. I'm not sure for me. Yeah. Talk loud. I want to hear you. Yeah.
That Pikin, and that woman Pikin, they two resemble. That Pikin resemble his father.
It resemble a father.
Yes, ma. If you enter Mary profile, go check that Pikin and the father. They carbon copy. Even Mary's son self on that Pikin and the same face they get. The same. This everything just like there's no difference. They never fit differentiate them.
Really?
They two resemble. Yes, na. Enter Mary profile now. If you enter Mary profile, me don't already enter Mary profile. If you enter Mary profile, you see the husband there. And this boy, so the carbon company, no, they say where your papa.
Sylvia, moi yo. Sylvia, why you going away?
No question, they don't even ask questions.
They can't ya wait a fear.
You're the obvious.
Are you for real?
Yes, sir, it does the obvious. It does the obvious. If you enter Mary profile,
Man, na beg I go beg o. We will be men. Na beg I go beg o. We will be men. Na beg I go the beg o. Yeah.
enter Mary profile.
Eh.
That is it. He just resemble his papa. And he resemble Mary boy. Mary boy, he resemble one.
Okay.
Profile. Resemble Mary boy. No difference. Like no difference.
Which of my boy he resemble? If you bring her come out, may I see her? Which of my boy he resemble? May I see her? Now you
Yeah.
want conclude?
Mary, you don't send me your boy picture, Mary.
Okay, not the honor. Now two boys, be like say this woman get. The boy look like the
Mary, wait,
first
I want
one.
to Mary something. Happiness. May you they go first. Yeah, you're the wash. I want to show Mary something. Mary, wait till may I show you something. Mary, they hear me, they see me.
Yes, I just see you.
This one like your son. Now your son be this. Mary.
Yeah, my son. Yes.
Okay, make I bring that thing back again. Wait, Sylvia.
Sir.
I want send you Mary's son. More put that 2 year again. More cross check something. Wait to make I send you Mary's son.
No man. No me man. Ew.
Sylvia, put Mary's son. Me will say something. I beg. Ah. Yeah. Resemblance tattoo. Hello. We'll still do DNA. Yeah, you will DNA. Son, exactly. Correct. They all come after the mad or they take the pain, eh? The pain where? The pain. Son. Okay, no problem. Hello, my brother. Baba. Amen. Yeah.
Okay. Let me bring a Noji phone number. Deal with you for you.
No.
See.
You move to. Mother, they hear you. May you mute, Auntie Jennifer.
Yeah. All right. Man, thank you. You know, say Mr. Get advisor in case of anything. Sylvia, pull back the first song where the self-acclaimed song where they say that first song. Put on see. Please, but before anything, we need to first go for the woman first. This woman, we need to look for this woman first. We born this first song. He get questions when I want ask him. This matter not go finish this night. This will not be matter we go finish this night at all. Because waiting me to observe for inside this issue right now. This matter will reach like 3 to 4 days. But now I believe say bloggers will still carry the video when they do now. I believe say people still screen record. So I beg anybody wey know this woman, make una beg, una tell her say I need her attention. Make she call me. I beg, madam. I beg if you come across this video for any blog, I beg, please, madam, you go call me. Because now only you now, now we need to ask some questions, just few questions. You understand? Before we go for anything DNA. But a lot of people, they talk, say the look alike is too much, the look alike is too much. But we're not going to still use that one still take judge. We're not going to still use that one still take conclude. Because we are talking about properties here. So it dey very, very painful. Say woman when they feel say that he born first son. Cause they say another thing today say not be called born first son. It is very, very painful. You know, get what else? You know, that's do you know the pain? That's like so somebody is calling me from here. Hello?
Hello, bros.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening, madam.
Yes, but the one when I see for here,
Yeah.
you know, a Pikin, if a Pikin not resemble Papa, you will resemble who? Is he not a mother?
Mm-hmm.
So that Pikin,
Cynthia.
he resemble his tall and he black.
Cynthia, yeah.
He resemble, that's so lucky Febby before. And he resemble Papa for the tallness and the black.
Okay.
So if you pick, not be a Pikin, that Mary way they talk, so ask him whether not be that Richie, now let that one resemble Papa. The two, I don't mean that, not be lucky get the two.
Yeah.
Be all Pikin, resemble Papa. So Pikin, they go resemble Papa, resemble Mama, or he go resemble one of his sister or one of his brother. It don't mean that the first one of Lucky, check her very well. He resemble our last born, and he talk. If you see our last born, you're not going to find this one. You understand? And this one, I still senior Mary first, like senior Mary Pikin. You understand? Make it not go there. He know everything. No, not tell her. Make it don't.
No, my sister, now when you don't enter, you're listening. You're listening, my sister. Now when you don't enter media, I'm not going to take side with anybody. You understand? That's why I say we need to look for this woman. I believe say before tomorrow, this woman will call us. We go ask her some questions too. Then from there, we'll call ask her, say, okay, when you can't take born your own, then maybe you can't tell us when you take born your own, then we can't do DNA. We must do DNA with this boy, with other children.
Yes.
For the paternity. Now those ones go come prove say na him.
We not even argue. Not be that one we even dey talk. No first see this boy.
Yes.
No be talk, not be mama, not be go talk and say he no resemble him husband son. Now he go talk and he born now.
Okay.
He born now.
Not
He
be
not
like-
get right to know that. He doesn't get to talk. And he's
You know, say on our life they Ben. Now they drag first son. When Lucky they alive, now no find this first son. When I say on our life be, when Lucky they alive, you know tell Lucky go find your son, bring come show me. Now you they talk say no be me go.
Yeah,
Hello. It be like say the woman don't call. The woman don't call.
yeah, when you know, why are you hiding?
Hello.
Wait.
Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Nobody will live this life.
Yeah, Una, good evening. Oh.
Good evening.
Yeah, I know the lady, and I'm area she there, and she's a friend of mine.
Okay, I want to tell my husband say before 10 minutes was yeah. Please, Cynthia, how can we get to know her number? I really need her number.
I tried to call her now, but she's not picking. But I want to tell you guys something. This lady has been the one taking care of this child from baby. I know her from we're in the
Okay.
You understand? The guy in question, the father of this child, I don't even know the guy because it's like the guy even denied the child. So this lady has been the one taking care of this child all her life. This child is 16 years now. You understand? So, and she's not a social media person. You understand? She's even
social media person first. We are talking about sensitive now because there is a problem. There is a problem somewhere that needs solution. You know what you will do for me? Please give me let me give you my number. If I give you my number, you will write me and you will send me that woman's WhatsApp number.
okay. I will do that. I will even call her again this night.
Okay.
I'll still try.
My number, take it now. I don't know if you can write it in another phone.
Okay, I'm coming.
Take it now.
Okay, give me.
Okay. Now, +49
Okay.
1521
1521. Okay.
046
046
0250
02
50.
50.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'll get back to you. I'll
Yeah.
call her, then anything I'll let you know. Okay.
Please, please. Please.
No problem. I'll do that because I don't even understand. I just come across your live now and I saw her picture. I said, let me. I don't even understand what's really happening. But I will talk to her. I will tell. Even now, I will still try her.
Please try to reach out now. If you can just come on my last name. I would have loved it.
Okay, I'll do that.
All right.
Okay, bye. Can you
Cynthia.
Yeah, Dimi.
No, no worry. You can't go, Cynthia. Don't worry.
Okay, bye.
All right.
Please bring me down.
Hey, you don't know how to go down.
No, I don't know.
Pastor Grace.
When I take send request, they add me. I not send request.
Are you add yourself?
Only one add me.
What metal was send a request?
Only one me.
Many other people where they bring will not be their fault. Metal was sent a request today. Mary.
I dey here.
You talk one thing just now. Can you repeat it again?
Please, what is that?
You say when your husband they are alive, they don't look for the first son. How true is this?
Oh, sorry. Yes, they not. I wish they look for her. Therefore, no word be of this child. They don't know whether that baby say as they talk and say the boy they alive. His brother get another son for our side. They never look for this boy. They never find this boy. If Nari say this son, now lucky son. They don't look for her. No, he not that. I don't come out.
Listen, you hear what that girl will just go down, just not talk, say
Yes.
the boy was denied. So now the woman they take care of the boy, Reaffirming.
Okay.
You understand? You hear what
Find out. Now when my husband don't die now, I don't come out, say my husband thinks how they want to do now money go carry me for grant. I don't know what I do. Now my own too, now me they take care of them. Now when he come back, come marry me, now he begin to take care of my children with me. I don't want to be shame to them. Your brother, they bombard, they go. Una know they take care of the children. Children are for everybody. Even that Pikin, if they do DNA, since that Pikin now lucky on, I go embrace her if the woman agree. Not be this way that they use this boy, they fight me with property. They're not gonna fit fight me. As first son, if they do DNA, that Pikin now first son of lucky. I go take her. If first son choose finish, say second son go choose. They don't know where they dey. They don't know where they dey. Now make the carry me come out for social media. Now make the carry me come out for social media.
I dey hear you, yes, I dey hear you.
Now, about this matter, now I want to talk food.
Oh yeah, now fast, I beg.
Okay. If I choose not to me, they're not talking. Even though say this boy resemble the man, not be the way they take the drag this woman come out, so nobody say they take the drag, and because nobody go suffer with man finish, come born Pikin. At the end of the day, the man come there.
Let me they talk just now, say. Let me they talk just now, say.
Why they not send the Pikin?
They listen. Let me they talk just now, say. The thing get as it be. It dey painful. Say you suffer with man, come feel say now you born first son. At the end of the day, one first son just they relax, they enjoy with mama. And according to a reliable source, we still call us just now. Let us know say the first son was also neglected, as it was abandoned. So you see, I say there is still more.
The man don't want the Pikin. The man don't want the Pikin when you put their life.
You see, so now there is still more to this than what we are just seeing right now. That's why I say we need to hear from the first son, mama. May we know what happened. We make, because the guy before he died, the guy was okay. The guy was okay. He was rich. The guy was okay. You understand? So we really need to know something. Not be the way we just say they do. So you understand? So let's hear from the mother first.
But you see for that Jennifer for inside.
Yeah.
That Jennifer for inside. That one know your picture mention of the first one, the first one. That girl just the first one.
No, see, me will never judge like that. Me will never support any side. As I did now, I am standing in their middle. I never know they tell me the truth. I never still know they lie to me. Until we hear from the first wife, first baby mama, and it could let us know, say, see what happen. That is it. You understand? But this one should also, yeah, but this one should also serve as a lesson to women. Where if he say they know their husband, you the years of women, you talk say, I know my husband, I know her, and you not know men. Man, we the use of the main parable for Bini say, now the day when man, then that day that they know the kind of children when they get for outside. You go the feel say, now you be the man wife. You go the feel say, now you just be the man wife. Until the day when the man go die. That day you know say, don't call tell you say, the man get picky for Jos, he get picky for Sakmoba, he get picky for Italy. You call they say, yeah, that's what they talk say. Sometimes as men, even if you don't want to break the news to your wife because maybe she will be hot, but please make sure say your family members know your first child house. Because now, with this now, people go do something back home now. Because you hear people they talk, but you tell Europe now us, too flat. Now my children Europe, what go they drag? She put they see what they happen now say, now person picking, now they take person property. Now what they do for social family. We are not going to do for ourselves. We will do for family. To avoid all these kind of things. May all these kind of things don't they happen. If you don't come out, you go plan away when you are alive. I don't know if I'm making sense right now. On a share.
I can't me eat right so.
If you are no more, we must say, but where is there? Why they say you remove the picture now. Man. They say you remove the picture now. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, no, it is the other thing. Try and say the two children.
Yeah.
They resemble.
Yes. Yes. This
woman will bring the matter gone so.
Yeah.
He called that place. Why not say not be that boy be the senior? Maybe not put sound for you.
No, see, for that one, if man die or woman die, all the children that they put sound, they all they see first, they all they see second. That sound that they put for a body, now prayer to them say, may God grant them eternal rest beyond the land beyond. May God grant them eternal rest. And they are yet today to pay him the last respect as their children, as the children. You understand? So, now prayer say, if person die, make children carry sand, knock for a papa chest. That is the prayer. That's what they talk, say, now we go bury our papa not go bury us.
Hey, Pa, you be like you not hear the question what that person ask you. He said, why that first son not fake up put sand? Now, what he ask you?
Okay. And so, like, why Jennifer not talking that day for the burial ground? Say, and so, I go ask him. I go ask him. I go ask. I'll ask Jennifer just now. Because Jennifer, Mary Sweet. The day when they bury your husband, Jennifer did there.
Yeah, she did there with her another sister.
What I'm not worried now. We go softly they ask them one after the other. You understand? But what me see for inside here be say Mary and Jennifer not forget when they take in good terms. Maybe that's why she not tell them. I don't know. Hey, so maybe now that anger. So if you see the way they saw themselves, you know say they not forget when they first day in good terms. So maybe you just stay there for your brother and then. Make the your very brother based on the thing they pay. Make the
they pretend they know Jay. Now pretend that they pretend.
So we go know.
That they do.
No, Mary Sweet, calm down. We go know.
All these other people they talk about, they call the court.
Yes.
People that who put this mortuary said, who the kind that man want come and say, they don't know where they there. They don't know say, maybe don't know that the matter who carry.
Yeah.
I don't know who knows. The one of do maybe get no who participate for anything. Not because they do something now. Everybody get family now.
Okay, I don't understand. There be one to make Mary not participate as well.
At all. See, maybe no who know. Don't say as we go there. Maybe no say at that place. Maybe no say at that place. That be the motor. I will read it with the way for the brother where they you. Make it come. This one where they where call it so it come. with one bros wey follow am come.
Yeah.
They go comot. We no know say she wan go pick the other woman when they come from Germany.
Yes.
And they come pick casket come. And the big casket come. I mean, because they later come tell me, they say, no. Me I go ask question.
Yeah.
Maybe not the year Italy. The other of our friend don't see the year Italy. Now
Yes.
let me one. Now I go meet and say, this casket, who get her? Now lucky get her. Now they say yes. Say, now they may say if they don't lock her, we don't see her. Me for go see her. Now I tell them say, we should go see her. Now they come say yes. Now we take go. With this woman come. Now they will come to every couple and say, they want to put a lock for casket go. The moment they lock her, they cannot open them again.
Oh, so.
Now go take go. As we go for them, the other go for crack would come back. You know, come on, what did be ending for this? What did they keep ending for? You don't already go. You already go. Come on, this one don't greet that many children. That one not great.
Okay.
The other the sister come.
Il come la we phone. Okay, we say.
If you didn't cost Mary.
It's a little boring. Yeah, you called me, well. I hear you, my sister. Thank you. Thank you.
Let's not be like this,
Thank you. Thank you.
Let's not be like this.
Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No, first of the we go see her. We go see the end. Hello. You know, come on. What talk by? USA. Yo. Iseo.
So mi opa ni only tire na eni awata lo na ora no gu ni ati lock ni yo we mi kan ko so ke no ha mo ko
Yeah.
See, I don't I never asked. Mama, let me I get it. You understand? Now you go fiki for another place. As the fiki finish now, you don't take up the Pikin. So now the wife now that they pull that is the wife now. What is the wife then? Make it just calm. Make them find the solution.
Exactly.
Even though the point like the husband Pikin make it carry her why because this property, if person die now, they don't carry and follow am. If the man will die now, they don't carry the property follow am. You understand? So my sister, maybe just come. Maybe you know they follow your husband's sister, the quarrel, the cousin.
If you reach one want to talk, let me know.
Okay, Zaza.
If you want to talk, this man, na wrong. This lucky.
No, sir.
The man, if you know so na born for outside, Mona they come out now. Mona they come out they tell una wife.
Mona say you and do topic tomorrow. TikTokers. Mona say you and do topic.
Yes, I don't cut am first. Yeah, they cut am here. So he not good.
All right.
So now, the boy now whether they say no resemble papa, it resemble papa because he tall, he black.
But we not go still use that one to judge my sister.
Thank you, my sister. God go bless you.
Come and go. So you don't go bring me Pikin go. Why because not take off Pikin? So when you first sit down.
That one be the thing now.
Yes.
We make we say make that woman call me. I want ask Jennifer a question now. Yeah. All right.
Okay.
All right. Okay. I beg I want you to share this number now. Jennifer, you go be number 1. Then Mary Sue go be number 2. Zaza go be number 3. Then work for your money go be number 4. Now, Jennifer, I want to ask you 2 questions. Number 1.
Okay.
The day when they bury your elder brother, when you did
Yes.
with them, why you not tell Mary say, come, this one your son they carry sound they put for your brother, but this so make you remember say not be born first. Did you tell her something like that?
Bro, no Jay, I don't get wetin I want to tell him because he there, he know say lucky get Pikin.
Don't tell her just now. Say now anger issues with the fake girl before. That's why you don't tell her. Okay.
No.
Okay,
Me we can even that one when your friend they talk just now lie because 2 of them they be the same. My friend, you know you must cover for your friend.
That one
Me we can even talk for them when they even bring coffee. Said now even they tell me say start money go they don't bring coffee when they want put my brother. And I say it don't happen, it no will come again. me will do this thing, me will come on for me everybody go you.
Exactly.
Me with her not quarrel. Ask her whether me with her quarrel, whether me with her not they talk, whether you know they call me with her they talk. If they call me, even before my brother want put money for your head, if my brother come beg me, he say I beg because now my brother now senior me direct. He can say I beg. He want marry this woman. I can say okay. Make me help me talk to my family. I can say I will talk to my mother. I can't talk to them. They can't really do the wedding, do the traditional marriage for us. All those one wey all dey talk, me no know where for the carry all those matter come because me I no be person wey be say you just dey forge matter when wetin no happen you go just dey talk am. I no be that kind of person.
Okay, my sister. Another question again. This your brother first son now will not bring come and now after the brother die. Why una not come the check on the son?
Before, because my brother before na France hear me dey. I dey France, I no dey Italy. You understand? My brother na one kind person wey be say if he dey with woman, he dey always dey somehow hide am. Even this woman, na through my papa now tell no. Me no even quick no because this my brother no even tell me. Till he go give this woman belle he born. Now through my papa now tell no everything. This my brother no even tell me. You understand? Now through my papa, I wish my papa still dey alive now. If we even still come here, go still talk you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, because a reliable source tell us just now say your brother neglect this Pikin, this first son. Say now this woman so now they take care of this son.
Because since when he can't know this Mary, he not gonna go they see this one again. Now truth, he not gonna they see her. That woman no lie.
Okay, no problem, my sister. May you mute. Zaza,
Okay.
Wayo. Zaza, where are you?
I agree the asshole.
Where me
I agree to
you?
now.
Where's he?
I greet everybody. You know, say as I they call you since they tell you one or two. You know, say if you see this matter, so this matter na very sensitive matter where everybody go all the jump, the put back. You understand? If you see my affair, my your treat us small. You see that call away call us say the man a useless man to born for year.
Yeah.
What about the women where they born for man wey not be where the man not dey know thing, even the man go die, the woman not go see, do not go see no say now the man not be that Pikin, not be the man.
Better, yeah.
You understand? So now for different side, for the man sometimes man they leak like the way this one take leak so.
Exactly.
You understand? But woman not they leak. You understand? So what I want to talk, we need to hear from that woman side before we go start to dey judge anything. Because we don't know the reason why the man not tell anybody. You understand? Maybe you don't want to make this woman verse, or you don't want me bring her come and make the woman call verse, or you don't want to leave this woman, something like that will just happen. You understand? So more not just say because say you neglect her or something like that. Wait till I want to talk. Make the woman try come. We get question we want ask her. Without that woman never come, we not get anything to talk. We go just dey assume. You understand? Because we not there.
Yeah.
You understand? And let the woman go fit tell you wetin happen and wetin not happen. You understand? And for this sister wey dey fight for the first Pikin and say he need to get property on the store, normal thing na so e be. You understand? If na still this maid itself, na wetin he go still feel. You understand? So all children wey the man born need to get property. Not be say because say they not see am, they need to know all the children, share property, give all of them accordingly the way they take dey.
Yeah.
You understand? Now wetin me see be that not be say you cost give some because say the other one you not know, you not give am. If not, make everybody make them do DNA, try verify all the children wey the man get before they go share property. Property not dey run. As far as say na ground e dey there, nothing dey do am. So make them verify everything before they go share property. And maybe as we dey talk now, another one fit still dey wey the man not tell anybody. That one fit still come out tomorrow. Talk say na Pikin be this one, na him get this. So you understand? So property no, they don't make them try reach an agreement. Make sure say everything is settled. Not be the one that they fight put.
Exactly.
You understand? So before they go share property, they will need to share her accordingly. If na still marry, they not share property give. She go still the verse. Say why the man he go born for the man property not reach in hand. You understand?
Exactly.
So may they try, may they settle everything, may they come to agreement. Who
Exactly.
man no quarrel put? Who be this one? Who be this one? Who be the first? Who be the second? They need to know, and everything come. If they don't, this woman don't call you now. Now they'll try to do DNA for all the children because we know you say all the children are the man own. We still know say one or two things they have for this Europe. Woman go carry pikin, not be the man who call give her. You call it talk say na my papa, na my baby, you know that. So we not use that one judge her. We need to do everything. We'll come to agreement. They go do DNA, not be resemblance they talk. You feel boy anybody. If you live with baby, if he resemble you, you know stand. We not feel all those ones take judge her. So with DNA go prove us say, okay, now this man get not be this man get this one, not be this one. If you still see this Mary baby save children, not be all of them resemble the man.
Not be lie.
You understand? So we not feel talk now say all of them are the man get You understand? So we need to know with DNA so that before they will share the property.
Exactly.
Now which I get to talk with that one.
Thank you so much, my brother. Work for your money. Talk to us.
You see, this woman in question, which is Mary, now my sister, you dey get me. So from the Genesis, when this thing start, I can tell you that I know everything because this man in question, this late man, I live with him for more than 4 years. If you hear when she they insult my family, just
you know, and I called me this afternoon.
yes. Yeah. This is when this thing they come. That is by the way. The main issue when they you know, pass it, we are not dragging for property. That is the fact. Even when Lucky give that girl belle for Italy that time, I did aware. I deal with her that time. When the thing happened, now me settle the whole issue. I can't call my sister say, I beg this guy, as it happen like this, you know, go feel living. Man, fed the marry 2-3 woman, he go born. That one not be issue, but may you know, say, may you just know what you they look for. You dey get me so now. So she say me they there. Person if you do one like that and say, I beg no verse, they will come settle the issue. Not only that baby girl, now me they aware say this man he get me. I don't know whether he get another picking. Me and this guy will be 5 and 6.
Yeah.
I don't know whether he hear me. We be 5 and 6. Nothing when he know they tell me. Even when he come back to our life, we're very happy. Say he don't feel come back for more than 5 years.
Yeah.
He not near my sister. We not see her. You get me so. In mama, in family member, they don't go out about 3 different places. To go do introduction for women body. They will say they marry one when we say we're not there aware. Bros, are they till they do something? We are all human beings. We know they fight for property. If we get for son, that is very good. We will be very happy. We know they fight for property matter. How they tell they do something? Woman wanna marry. Before na marry this woman, una not carry this woman sit down say, come Obia, come here. May you know say my pikin as wetin my mama go do now they talk so. My mama go carry the woman because I marry so I get wife for here. You go carry the woman come Let me say tomorrow you consider you born first son. My pikin first get first son for outside though. May you know that one. Not be outside my sister suppose here. Now from their mouth, which is the mother, the family. This is sister now when come they talk now. Now they suppose carry my sister say, come my brother first get son for so place so may you know waiting you decide for now. Not be say later you come they say they don't fair tell you. When I won't go pay my sister dowry. When I not tell my family people say my son he first get son for one side though, you don't fair born no nothing like that. Una neglect that part. Una come hide down. Say we not know what he play. Fine. Before this man still come meet my sister, this man don't already give woman belle for Lagos for the house when he buy when he did for Lagos. He don't give woman belle. The woman don't even born. The baby was a year plus before Lucky die. We don't know. My sister don't know. Now when Lucky can't die, now my sister can't hear the whole story. If now you want be the Jennifer, they go do you. Then go do you. They not go do you because what if they not go do you? Men are not they do another person. It's not because she's my sister, because I know how my sister take follow this man from the onset. You get me so? Lucky they build house. When my sister know her. When Lucky they build that house, Lucky never finish that house. Now I know how my sister take contribute to that guy life. Because una not dey there. You dey France. My sister and Lucky they dey Italy. May I come meet them for Italy. So if una dey talk, me na dey look for the other side. We are not after property. My sister he born for my brother. Your brother come marry my sister. Definitely, if man when even get children for life sake, if brothers now they carry the property. Not be they carry the property, now the children now they carry the property. So what are we talking about? So me I just a beg bros Inoji. That Pikin when they show just now, if that Pikin are lucky old, I will be the greatest person on earth. We go accept her. We not go argue her. So the only thing when I just see for there, DNA must be involved. That is the only thing when I get to talk for here. DNA must be involved. May they try, may they bring that woman come. At least now France here with day. If now Austria the woman day, now Europe everybody day, we will fit do and we'll find one location. We'll say we'll make for so and so place. We go show up. We not they hide. We go show up. Even that picture when I say you just now still lucky daughter be that one. That one will still come. That one Richie and this first son. All the two of them go do DNA. No we know if not the boy be the first son. Problem not there. According to our tradition, I believe say your mama na Esan woman. Yeah. Your mama know how the tradition they go for our place. Okay, now, if the Pikin say na be the first son, fine. Na be the Omri Jogbe. The Pikin na because if Papa do second burial, which is he told him. So definitely now that Pikin na go carry the one way Papa build for village for there. That's what they do. They do another thing. If go choose after I don't choose finish, second one go choose. After second one choose, third one go choose. Everybody go rest. Exactly. Not be this one way they call social media. They call my family. They call different name. It's uncalled for. It as in you never reach like that. You get me so. You be woman. You dey husband house or you dey with man. They don't go do you, Jennifer. They don't go do you. I don't know why he's sorting for this. Life because he respect us. He make me understand. Say he know they join one party. He go know how the matter take go before he go judge. So that respect now go give him. You call this platform and now you bring matter come, but now you can't insult my family. What did my family do now? What did my family do now? When you they insult me, you don't know. I never insult you one day. When you they insult me, bros. Now wait I get to talk with that one. Still there.
All right.
I agree to you.
Let's see.
Fito.
Why not?
You see, this matter so not be waiting will you settlement do. If you see and say the genesis of everything, if you see the way this bro stay explain just now, the genesis of everything will make this matter distress. Now that ass will dey Lagos.
Yeah, that big one.
You understand? He said the first one go choose the one with the village. Bros, not be so. Now first one they choose. Not be village they want for go choose. Now first one they choose. Except say that's we. You know fit say you go carry village gas. Now when first one don't choose.
Don't up there. Tradition.
Where you from? Richard, where you from?
Not be lucky how you stay.
Where you for come now? Where you for come? Which state you for come?
No, not fun for how many years?
Which state you for come now?
Like I did now. You want to say my papa give me ass now. I'll come to say my first son go carry ass with the village.
Which state you for come now? Richard now?
Thank you. That one they fight.
Which state you for come?
You say I come family. Not be your sister fed the cause.
Which state you for come? Now you start the insult. You insult me. Do you know when they insult me?
You not see me that time. Not be lucky as you not see me. Why I not know you?
Ma bien c'est kako miegbe unu whether
me ege me rest time the lucky ege me rest bag ni me ba mi don ni we aje
whether hume
me ri no ye no para gun wa ye e me na ni me ri agun wa ma mi ne gun wa me set up je me set up for you.
No one.
We tell they cost everybody. It costs me, not it costs the family. 50-50.
Man, I did town, I don't kill her.
Where did that feel? Where did that be? Where you for now?
Oh my God! You know what?
Mary I understand
you hear me?
I hear you, Zaza.
I still they tell you, mind the way you take talk for this issue. You understand?
Yeah.
Now that ask where they Lagos, that be the problem. For waiting, I
Now
don't
that
see.
they fight, make they
You
come carry.
understand? So now waiting, I don't see. So you better use break take talk.
My brother,
You
my
understand?
brother, I beg, I
Mhm.
use God beg you. If you don't talk finish, me another person talk. You dey hear me so?
Bros,
House
I
or
talk
no
to
house?
you. I
May
not
I
talk
tell
to
you something?
you. I beg.
Wait first,
Now
house
waiting
or
you
no
talk.
house?
I take follow waiting.
House or
Waiting
no
you
house?
talk just now.
Our
Thank you,
tradition.
my
Normally, as
brother.
marriage
God
dey
will
To
go,
me,
bless
our
you.
tradition.
the boy
You,
will go carry
let me
the
make
village.
where you for
You
come?
understand?
Which state you
Okay, I
for
will say
come?
the man come better for
Every
Europe.
state
You
get
just
their
say
own
make the
tradition.
guy who carry the one with the Lagos. My brother don't see they talk on. You
Make their
understand?
pikin come Canada. That one they kill her for.
Na beg.
La need that. La
You
need that. Them
understand?
one
No,
me.
they see truth they talk on. And
Hello,
if
that
you
we
go first
when me
pikin,
that one,
if you
hello,
were the
that
talk
make
so
guy
go first
where
pikin, you go give me your
where
son go carry us with the village. You go go.
Normally go, now
My
don't eat
brother,
una
more they see
self.
truth they talk on.
Una don't eat una self.
hello,
Una
that
don't
make
eat una
guy. Brother,
self.
me where you go that fure?
Una be plan make go
Where
there.
you that fure?
Bros,
Now you kill her, Mary. Everybody know say now you kill her. When we bread at that time, everybody know say you be witch. You first.
Don't bring paper. Don't serve me paper for 100.
una calm down like this
May
now.
everybody swear. Go bring paper for 100 house. May everybody swear.
Calm
When
down.
I go
Make
touch
your attitude to
I go
it.
touch your way.
Baba, I did live video.
Every tradition get in own tradition. So now make her dey try to ask that brothers now. Which tradition where it for come?
No, bros, I
Nobody
understand
answer.
you. I be Benin boy. I be Benin
Hey, look
blood.
na Benin now. So your
See,
own tradition, our tradition is different
no, make I
entirely.
tell you, bros, I know
Different
they use
entirely.
sentiment, whether
Gaza.
tradition.
This
See,
one not be sentiment matter.
you no get wait
When
first, I beg.
I wait to
Not be sentiment.
the first wife don't come. Oh, I beg.
Not be sentiment. Why you go dey talk? When you want be Benin man.
No, bros, I understand you. You understand? If you as a first son wey dey so,
First baby,
maybe wait now. If you may be first, if you be first son, maybe more not say bad thing happen. You lost your dad. Dog say maybe your dad build house for Lagos or he buy house for abroad. You go carry the one wey dey village. No, they see truth they talk am.
If na wetin the tradition demand to call, you know
My
go
brother,
follow
you no
tradition.
go carry. You no go carry.
You go live
No,
on
they
like that.
talk
Now
truth.
wetin tradition carry.
You then me for call me. You then see. I beg you. All of us are adults, and may we mute. See, you see this issue, so this is a boys' issue. This one, see, I will, for example, now say, Mary now say he suffer with this husband. Say Mary not born boy, for example, now. Say now guess she born, for example. We for not even they talk with who they talk so. Now because say Mary get one boy for inside there, because I guess
one boy, now 2 boys. I
okay,
get
2 boys.
2. Yes.
Now another boy now they say another boy according to the family of the man now say another boy dey that side. If peradventure tomorrow they come find out say okay the woman come tell us say see the reason why he carry the pikin the trainer maybe the man abandon the children the pikin with am for 16 years. Then if they wan check the property they will tell the first one make he choose.
The first one need to choose because he not dead that house.
Honey,
the one they use senior to the share property.
then they use children take
the
dey
one they use
share
senior.
property.
The one they use senior on it because he not married that woman again.
No.
Now who he married? Now he be senior.
No, honey.
He go settle am.
Who settle?
He go settle the first boy.
No, don't want
People don't know about me on it.
No, what have you
Okay, he go come share a country guy rich in mama. Mama will not
not
support
be
the
rich.
man.
Listen, honey.
Now they use senior the share property on it.
Honey, wait.
But this time,
Honey, wait.
because they na boy.
Honey, wait.
I beg who they touch.
Honey, wait. You still join people wey dey talk say na Nigeria dem wan for go dey draft for land.
No, they use senior to the share property. Now who they have
No.
who he married
Honey,
the mark man.
traditionally Benin Esan dey almost get the same tradition. Traditionally, as that boy dey outside now, they come find out tomorrow say that boy na him first son. Now he go first choose before Mary sweet children go choose. That's what it be.
Thank you, my brother. Now wait till I see you.
Mary not even follow the dragon now. But wetin Mary wan know, Mary wan really know say na him husband first son be this. That is it. You know,
that small boy wey dey outside una no bullet wey that pikin dey collect.
Thank you.
Una know wetin dey collect.
Okay, you are right. Yes, now. Yeah.
Thank you, Big Sylvia. Thank you very much. Pikin wey dem no look for. Pikin ẹ bá gbà ná ọmọ ẹ bá gbà ná sísìn pikin wey dem no look for.
Bros, I
Pikin
bet
when I reject, pikin when I neglect.
When your enemy, you don't hold. You know, everybody knows. You hold, you die now.
Now this kind of family now, they will hear say that pikin on a footballer. If they catch shot, they will come to look for the pikin. They will come to look for the pikin. Pikin will not take care of am. They will not take care of am. Wicked people.
They go carry the biggest property. They don't know now. Yeah. If they use a equity, they compare. We're talking about boys for year. Legitimately, that guy is the first son. He is the one that will lift the one where they talk us and say, Ukure Dion. Now he go lift him up. Now he be the first
He
son.
marry mama, he not marry mama or Omodio. He don't finish.
Sylvia, where's your comment section?
Sylvia, that one are true. You are very correct. I agree with you. We are not arguing that one. We know they argue that one. May they bring the first son. No, we'll see her. We'll do DNA test. Simple.
They say they want to give a mama. They say mama call person.
Mama not be rent we do. We not dey rent. So lucky do it all. Another person go do it all. Now so it be.
See this thing so it good make with the follow tradition. This Europe we get a lot of us not dey follow tradition again. Honey, we there. We call talk 2020. A lot of us not dey follow tradition again. Now it make sometimes this Europe they tire me. I don't lie you because Europe does spoil a lot of traditions. The ways of traditions supposed to stay. We not dey follow again. Man.